Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with EPICURE. So this was so nice of the company to do this. So we have something on sale that is amazing. So everybody is on lockdown basically, and you're staying home. You are probably looking for dinner ideas. Well, lunch ideas, dinner, everything, because everybody's home for the most part. If you are a worker that does still have to work, well, you need to eat too, right? So make something to take with you. This is amazing, and these are on sale. So our 3-week dinner collection is only $40 Canadian, okay? And this has 15 meals. So this is good for 3 whole weeks. So you don't have to think what's for dinner, what's for lunch, what should I make. On average, it's about technically like $2 like per meal. So talk about a way to save money. That's amazing. And these are so good. I have tried all of them. I have had them many, many times, and they truly are amazing. Like, you will make the best tacos ever. Have your kids help you out. They will love that. They will have so much fun, and it just makes it easy for you. So I will leave the links for you guys to order this if you like on the bottom. But this is awesome, you guys. So I am so happy that they are offering this on sale. You will love everything, even if it's not for yourself. Order this for somebody else. Somebody else who is a nurse, who does have to go to work every single day. They are going to be exhausted when they come home. They are probably tired of hearing people say they get to stay home, because they don't have that luxury. Any healthcare workers, they still have to work. Even if you don't want to buy this for yourself, order this for them. Have it shipped to them super easy, or order it for yourself and then make them a meal and take it to them. You might have to leave it on the porch if they don't want you in, because we're all trying to be careful, but this is just something nice that you could do. So I will leave the links for you guys on the bottom. Let me know if you need anything, and thank you so much.